hot oil treatment, and this is how my hair turned out. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. You're going to see a few errors, but if you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back everybody, HairObsess Jay C here. So for this hot oil treatment, I'm going to be starting off in just 2 sections. So as you know, the hot oil treatment can help to treat itchy scalp, treat dandruff. It also helps to treat common hair concerns such as dry scalp, and it also aids in hair growth. To me, in my opinion, you can also use a hot oil treatment as a pre-poo before deep conditioning. So one of the things that I forget to do here is, as my first error, is I forget to oil my scalp. Okay, so if you guys want to know what I have in this bottle, I already made a video on that. Check that out in the cards above. So I'm just going to wet the hair a bit to allow the oil to penetrate the hair strands, the hair shaft, my scalp, so that I can really get that penetration going to treat the scalp as much as I can. I'm really having some itching issues. So what I'm going to do is cover my hair with this plastic cap. And then I'm going to cover it with the cholesterol warming cap. I'm going to stay under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. And I have no idea why I'm doing that. I'm going to be washing my hair with this concoction. Check the cards above to know what's in that. Moisture Milk Conditioner from the VO5, and I'll be using the leave-in conditioner from Sheer Moisture. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my magnetic rollers. I will be air drying all day. And what I do is when the hair needs a little bit more moisture, I just use the leave-in liquid conditioner from the Cream of Nature line to just moisten the hair a little bit. I don't have a special way of putting in my magnetic rollers. I'm just going in the direction I think I want to comb my hair. So after I applied the curlers, I realized I did not have enough while I was recording, so I just had to stop the video right there. So next day I slept through the night with the magnetic curlers, which was uncomfortable, and this is what my hair looks like. So this is what my hair looks like at the end of that video. Next day here after I took out my curlers. So if this video was useful to you guys, please give me a like, subscribe to the club down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.